If you're a beginner and you want to learn English, this video is for you. Hi, I'm Majid and today I'm teaching you guys and dear Ellie how to say thank you in English. So without further ado, let's go. Okay, today I'm teaching you like different ways to say thank you. Okay, so simply you can say thank you. Yeah, it's not wrong, it's correct, yes, but you cannot say thank you, oh thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. They're like, okay dude, stop it. Like you cannot say thank you like multiple times, like, so don't. For example, the first thing that you can say, and I'll always say it like a lot. You can say, thanks a million.
Thanks a million.
Not thanks.
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 Yes.
Thanks a million.
Yeah. Hey, thanks a million.
Thanks a million.
No. Thanks.
Wait.
You can say it.
Thanks a million.
Yes.
Thanks a million.
And again, you're saying thanks. And a bunch of people, they are they are learning English. They also say thanks because different languages, they don't have the TH sound.
Yes.
So I'm teaching you just once and for all, just put your tongue between your teeth here.
Thanks.
Thanks, yes.
Thanks a million.
Yes, and you can practice. You can practice in front of the mirror and say it for 100 times. Say it for like 1,000 times. So, and after that, you can say it like without even thinking. Right now, again, you said thanks. And right now, you're thinking before saying it, right? If you don't think, you cannot say.
Thanks
but
a million.
Yes. Okay. But after a while, when you practice, you don't even need to think. You don't even need to think to say that. Like you can just casually say, hey, thanks a million.
Thanks a million.
Yes, again. This time, you can smile and that's okay. Yeah, you can smile and say that. Like, yeah, okay. Ellie, you're a lifesaver.
You're a lifesaver.
Yeah, you're a lifesaver. You say that like when your friends did something for you, or that person did something for you, and you want to thank him or her. You can say, you're a lifesaver. You should say, this is important, but not no. But yeah, you can say, hey, you're a lifesaver. Really.
You're a lifesaver.
Yes. Exactly, and finally, you're learning. You can say this with this tone because you have to show that person that he or she is a lifesaver.
You're a lifesaver.
Yes, thank you, my dear friend. So show that to that person, or or if you want to thank that person like casually, but not so like normal, you can say, hey, thanks a ton.
Thanks a ton.
Thanks a ton.
Thanks a ton.
Yeah, like a ton of thank you. Yeah, a ton of thank you.
Ton of thank you.
Yeah, you cannot say ton of thank you.
Thank you.
Ton of thank you.
Ton of thank you.
It's hard, I know, but yeah.
Ton of thank you.
Yeah, no.
Ton of thank you.
No, it's not expression. Just if you have to say that, you have to say like tons of thank you, but don't say that. Yeah, I just wanted to challenge you, but just say, hey, thanks a ton.
Hey, thanks a ton.
I love your enthusiasm. I love your smile.
Thanks.
Yeah, thanks a ton.
Thanks a ton.
Yeah, you can go for thanks right now. I can accept thanks. It's for you, but yeah.
I need thinking.
Yeah, I need to think, but I'm not gonna push you. And you can go with thanks.
Thanks a ton.
Yes. Okay. Thank you. Hey, Ellie. Say yes.
Yes.
I'm beyond grateful.
Beyond grateful.
Yeah, this is grateful. This is me being grateful. This is here.
Yeah,
I'm beyond grateful. Like I cannot express my feelings. I cannot express my appreciation. I cannot tell you how much I thank you. I'm beyond grateful. Like,
I'm beyond grateful.
yeah, but in like that way, you can just tell that person, yeah, how much you appreciate his just.
Hey, I'm
gesture.
beyond grateful.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, good. Mm. But I mean, don't you think that appreciation, just the format, is something that is missing these days? I mean, we all, our friends, they do a bunch of things for us, but we do not appreciate.
Yeah,
I think,
unfortunately.
yeah, because nowadays everything.
We expect that.
Yeah, we expect, and
greatness.
we think that, hey, it's their job, it's their duty to, like, be present for us. But
Yeah.
no, it's not. It's we have to appreciate. We have to be grateful, and if we do that, I mean, our friends, our partners, they are like willing. They are willing to do that more and more and more. But if we do not, maybe they don't say like a thing to us, and they're like, okay, he's mad, she's mad. But no, after a while, they're gonna let it go. They're not gonna do the same things for us.
Yeah.
So we have to show appreciation. Hey Ellie, I couldn't have done it without you.
I couldn't have done it without you.
Yeah, couldn't have done it.
I couldn't have done it.
Yeah. Hey, I couldn't have done it without you. I'm beyond grateful. Thanks a million. You're the best. Couldn't have done it without you.
Couldn't have
You can
done
say
it
without you. You can say without you. Both correct, and they're not wrong. Both correct, both perfect and native. So, yeah. Couldn't have done it without you.
Couldn't have done it without you.
Yeah, so if I'm alone by myself, I could not do it, but you helped me and I did it. So I couldn't have done it without you. Thank you. If you say it, yeah, yes, thank you.
I'm
If
beyond grateful.
Yes, like you're smart. You're my smart student. Thank you. I'm beyond grateful just
I'm beyond grateful.
to have such a smart student just like you.
Thank you.
Again.
Thanks a ton.
Great, better. So, or we can say thanks a million. By
Thanks
the
a
way.
million.
Yeah. Actually, the reason that I'm like this, because I haven't had time to just style my hair. So I'm curly as a sheep? But just like, yeah, it's a style. Tell me that you like it, guys. Tell me that it's good,
accept you
teacher.
like this.
Tell me that you accept me like with this face. This is my true face, actually. Yeah, I haven't had time to just straighten my hair, so this is my true self, actually. So, Ellie, I'm forever in your debt.
I'm forever in your debt.
Yeah, forever.
Forever.
Yeah, not death.
Forever.
Debt.
Debt.
Yeah, not just right now, not tomorrow, but forever.
For life.
For life, like in your debt. But yeah.
I'm forever in your debt. Debt.
I mean,
debt?
debt.
Debt.
Like D-E-B-T, but the B sound, you won't hear it, like debt.
Debt.
Yeah, not death, debt.
Debt.
Yes. But I mean, are we forever in our friend's debt?
No, we forget.
Yeah, we're gonna forget it so fast.
Yeah.
And it's life, it's the life itself, and we're gonna forget because it's a thing actually. Because I was reading an article, it was saying that if we don't forget things, like we don't forget our the losses, I mean everything, every people we lose, I mean our close ones, like when they die. When we don't forget these kind of things, we cannot live. I mean, we won't be able to live. I mean,
depression will kill us.
Yeah, depression will haunt us, and this actually.
A good thing.
Yeah, I mean, us being forgetful, it's a good thing. It's a survival thing actually. It's for 1,000 years and million, not million, like hundreds of thousand years, we actually evolved and we earned it, and we learned that we should forget things to survive. We should forget great things that happen to us, and we should forget bad things that happen to us. Because if, for example, for you, I mean, you achieve something,
Yeah.
and you just want to, I mean, you win something, like you just gonna win a lottery, right? So every day you be in the mood that, hey, I won a lottery. I won a lottery. So inside your mind, you gonna trap yourself. It's a trap actually. I mean, being sad and being happy. You just have to live at the moment and forget all about them.
Balance.
See, it's not just an easy English class. It's a class for your life. I can give you wisdom. But no, I'm just kidding. Yeah, so.
BBD, BBD.
Bibbidi bobbidi boo. So, yeah. Expectra patronum. So,
Harry Potter.
yeah. Wingardium Leviosa. Not Leviosa.
Not Leviosa.
Yeah, Leviosa. So, yeah, that was all about it. Forever in your debt, Ellie.
I'm forever in your debt.
Yeah. Ellie, thanks for always having my back.
Thanks for always having my back.
It's not always and it's not always. No, not all, not all.
Always.
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 It's a sound that from here.
Between A and O.
Yeah, between.
Always.
Yes, always. Like, it's actually American. It's in British accent. You're gonna say different, but in American English that I know, you can say always. So
Always.
I'm always in your.
Always.
No, what was the sentence? Thank you for always having my back. Yeah, like I was just saying the death thing. So yeah, having my back means you were my rock, so I could lean on you. Thank you. I mean, for always having my back.
You're my rock. Thanks for always having my back.
Yeah, but don't say it like that. Like, you're my rock. You're my rock. At least try.
I so appreciate.
Yeah. At least try. Yeah. You're my rock. Say it.
You're my rock.
Not you are. You're.
You're my rock.
Yes.
Thanks for always having my back.
You're welcome. Anytime. I'm rock. I'm actually the rock. I have the tattoo actually. I have the rock tattoo, like
Really?
here. Yes, it's a big
The
tattoo.
Rock?
The Rock, like Dwayne
The
Johnson,
Rock.
like the
Yeah,
bald
I
guy.
love him.
Yeah, I have his tattoo here, and so I am the Rock. So I actually love him. I want to go bald because of him.
Yeah. He's so cute.
Yeah, he's
He's a
not
good
cute.
actor, good dad.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah, okay.
Why?
But yeah, I always want to go bald. Tell me in the comments if you agree. Because I'm into buzz cut right now these days. Because I don't feel like, you know,
Buzz cut is great.
yeah, I want to go buzz cut. Like, I like it. Because so next time you'll see me, I'm gonna,
Shave your
yeah, yeah. And actually, there's a barber, like he's my friend.
Isn't it barber?
Barber.
Barber.
Barber, it was people like 1,000 years ago, barbarians. So, but
Okay,
barber,
barber.
yes, barber shop, the barber. He actually said that, hey, buzz cut is my profession. I'm like specialty. I have a specialty, buzz cut shaving. So
Every barber will say that.
no, he may watch us. So he's a good barber.
Okay.
He's the best barber in the whole world. So
The next time you will see him with a hat.
no, without a hat, I'm gonna show it. Like I
No,
love
the barber
myself.
is angry.
No, oh yeah, no,
Give you a
please.
bad cut.
No. So yeah, actually, I like it. But if I did it, because it's like all girls, they like when they do this. You know what they call like wings? What? A big shout out to you, Ellie.
Shout outs.
Big shout out, like
Shut up.
shout out.
Shout out.
But you say shout out,
Shout out.
not chat. Shout out.
Shout
Shout.
at it.
Shout it out. No. Shout.
No.
Shout out.
Shout at.
Shout out. Yes. So you say
at.
shout out.
Shout out.
Yes. A big shout out to you. Or you can just
For supporting me.
yeah, for supporting me. You can just stand up at a party. Hey, just your wine, like
Ding,
yeah,
ding,
like no, it's just
Change
water,
it.
not wine. Just don't drink it. Like no good. Hey, a big shout out to Ellie because she always been there for me. She always supported me. Thank you, dear Ellie.
You're welcome.
So just like this. But I mean, at parties,
Shout
if you want to thank someone, you don't say, "Thank you, Ellie." No, a big shout out to Ellie. You can say it like this. Yeah, at parties, you can just when you're giving a toast, you can say a big shout out to Ellie. Ellie, thanks for sticking your neck out for me.
Sticking
Sticking your neck out for me.
for me.
Yeah. When you're sticking your neck
out for me.
out for someone, you just support them, you risk your life for them. You just,
I get it.
yeah, you just do a lot for that person. So you can say, thank you for sticking your neck out for me. So,
Thank you for sticking your
Neck?
neck out for me.
out of me,
Out of me.
out for me. So,
Out of me.
okay. But
for me.
yes, it's not, again, try to say thank you.
Thank you.
Yes, you can say it, my dear
Thank
student.
you.
Yeah, you can say it.
Thank you for taking your
Sticking
sticking. Thank
Your
you
neck?
for sticking your neck out for me.
Yeah. Okay, thank God. Yeah, that. You can say that to say thank you. But you can simply say thank you because I'm not into these kind of sentences like,
Yeah.
don't say thank you. No, why don't? Why? You can say thank you, but you can just use other expressions as well. So there's that. If you have any questions, just write me in the comments and tell me in the comments where you guys from. Thank you for watching until the end. Make sure to watch other videos as well. It's for English class. And make sure to subscribe my channel. Tell them to subscribe my channel.
Subscribe his channel.
Yes, thank you. So yeah, that was all about. You want to say something?
No.
Yeah. Okay, that was all about today. Thank you. Have a good day or just night.
Bye.
Bye guys.